Hey fellas, you know they say never buy your wife no cleaning stuff like on birthdays or anniversaries or like any gift. Shoot, not me. Not me. Yo, I got three daughters, and the way I grew up, mama used to be out there on Saturday mornings mopping them dang floors, her and my sisters. So I told the wife, hey, listen, I don't buy you this mop. I got it off of Amazon. Listen, I'm going to put the link in the description. Hey, fellas, listen. If you ready to commit suicide, go ahead and buy your wife this mop. But listen, my wife, she a real one. She don't mind cleaning it. So I like them. She wanted something for the floor, so I got that mop for her. And it got like a little step thing that you spin around. And, but, oh, you see it. My bad. Pause. I had I got four kids for a reason. But anyways, I went outside, came back in the house. Hey, wife was in there scrubbing baseboards with the mop. Man, my floors was shining. So listen, ladies, fellas, it don't matter if you want a guy good mop. Listen, this is a nice little product. Go ahead and check it out. Because she loved it. She loved her little mop. She be stepping, that thing be spinning in her. I'll be laughing. But you remember those 90s infomercial commercials? This is her right here posing for it. See, if you need a sponsorship, we're not affiliated with you all.